भारतीय कैथोलिक युवा संचलन केंद्रिक समिती मंगळूर DSS 2021-22 70 आणि 25व्या वर्षाच्या उगडासाक DSSच्या सर्व युवजनांचे जाणवाय वाढोवचे पासोत मांडून हाडटा कोलक्वी म्हणजे कार्यगार वा शिकपासाल. Seeking knowledge is like opening doors and we know the doors are everywhere. It takes the right eyes to find the door. Are you thirsty for knowledge? It's now time for you to quench your thirst with the fluid called knowledge that will flow in your hearts and minds and will leave an imprint for a lifetime.
The great solution to all human problems is individual inner transformation. Every success story is a tale of constant adoption, revision and change. Dear participant, I feel happy to introduce the guest speaker, Ms. Nayan Chowdhury, who is an author and international public speaking mentor. She also guides people to provide group trainings and conduct large sessions. Till now, she has trained more than 5,000 corporate professionals and business leaders from around 50 plus countries. Author Nayan Chowdhury is also an author of book called Advanced Communication Skills. She has been featured on various news channels such as V4 News, Global TV, V4 Stream and a lot more. She is on a mission to realize your true potential.
Your results is determined by your performance. I have seen so many people, they just put so much efforts, but they could not able to get that desired result which they really deserve. And here I'm going to share with you that how exactly you could able to boost your performance just like this in your life. And at the end of this video, you are going to become crystal clear about your work, where I'm going to share with you some framework. And with that, I'm going to help you to visualize that mental movie inside your mind to enhance your performance. And I'm going to share with you that how exactly you're going to talk with yourself so that you are going to control your mind and your mind is going to listen to you every single time. Isn't that amazing? Here I want you to pause this video and go in the comment and write down ready to boost performance. Please go pause this video and write down ready to boost my performance. Here I have a question for you. See, if you don't know where you want to reach, let's say you want to go to your friend's house and you don't know the address of your friend's house, then what do you think? Are you going to reach to your friend's house? Yes or no? Well, the answer is no. We could not able to reach to our friend's house because we don't know the address. We are going to go into the different direction, but there are very less chances that we are going to reach to our friend's house. And that's why it is very important for you to identify that where you want to reach. Yes, this is the number one step which you need to do to become a crystal clear about your work, and that is you need to identify that where you want to reach. Now here question arises that how exactly you are going to become a crystal clear about your work by using framework. Yes, here I am going to share with you framework. Well, whatever goal you want to set, whatever target you want to set, you must set your target using this SMARTER framework. Yes, you have to set your target using the SMARTER framework. No matter you are setting your target for 1 month, 1 week, 1 year, 10 years, 20 years, 50 years. Well, but you have to set your target by using smarter framework. Okay? Now let me give you an example. Let's say I want to improve my health. Okay? So let's say that how exactly I'm going to set this target using smarter framework. Well, here S for specific. So here I want to improve my health. Is it specific? What do you think? Is it specific that I want to improve my health? Well, the answer is no, it is not specific because I haven't mentioned there that what exactly I want with my health, right? So now I'm going to mention that is I want to lose my weight. Okay, so now it is specific that yes, I want to lose my weight. Now let's come to M. M for measurable. So I want to lose my weight. Is it measurable? Well, no. So here I have to give number. That is how much weight I want to lose. So I am going to give here number. So let's say I want to lose 5 kg of my weight. Okay. SMA, A for achievable. So if here I am saying to me that okay, I am going to lose 5 kg of my weight within 1 month. Is it possible? What do you think? Is it possible? The answer is no, it is not possible. If I'm going to try that, okay, I am going to lose my weight within 1 month, then it might be the case that I am going to affect my health a lot. So it is not possible. SMA, it is not achievable, right? R for realistic. Is it realistic that if I am saying that I am going to lose my weight within 1 month, is it realistic? No, it is not. So what I need to do here is I need to give myself number. That is, I am going to lose 5 kg of my weight within 3 months. Now it makes some sense that yeah, I can lose my weight within 5 months, right? Sorry, within 3 months, right? That is 5 kg of my weight. Okay? So SMAR, that is realistic. T for tangible. Is it tangible? Could I able to touch it? Could I able to see it? Well, yes, if I want to stand in front of mirror, then I could able to see myself that I am losing weight or not. Or if I get some weighing machine and if I check my weight, then yeah, I could able to see that yeah, that I was 60, now I am 55. So I could able to see that. So you have to see that your goal is tangible or not. Make sense? Now let's move to next. SMART. Now it is E. E for enjoyable. See, most of the people just get stuck into this, that they set their goal but they don't enjoy it. Well, you always have to set goal where you are going to enjoy it. Okay, so let's say I want to lose my weight. Am I enjoying it? If I'm not, then the chances are I'm not going to lose my weight, right? Always see that you are enjoying your work or you are not enjoying your work. And if you're not enjoying your work, find out the different way through which you are going to enjoy your work. Do you get that? Now let's come to next. That is refreshing. So here it means that whenever you complete your goal, whenever you achieve your target, are you feeling a refreshment within yourself? Are you feeling to do more and more things in your life? If yes, then that's amazing. Please go for that goal. If no, then the chances are you're not going to go on the next level. So always remember this. Whatever goal you are setting, is it refreshing? If it is yes, then please go ahead. If it is no, then just think about your work. Okay? It's time to become crystal clear about your work, that where exactly you want to reach. See, when we are not clear, then what happens is we just go into the different direction. And we could not able to reach anywhere. And that's why here I want you to become crystal clear about your work so that you are going to just boost your performance. Please implement this. If you want to boost your performance, please implement this, because I have seen people, they have no clarity about their work, and as a result, they could not able to achieve the things. As a result, they put so much effort, but they could not able to get that results in their life, and I don't want this in your life. So please be crystal clear about your work. Here I want to ask you very interesting question. Do you like watching movies? Yes? Well, I know that you like watching movie. Don't lie. Please don't lie. I know that. Well, here question arises that why we love watching movie. What is the reason behind it? Why we love that? And as a result, we've just spent so much time watching movies, right? So why we love that? It is just because movies has a lot of action. It is having a lot of emotions, a lot of feelings, a lot of problems, a lot of challenges, and how that hero and an actress just overcome all that challenge and they just come to their destination and they reach there where they want to reach. So all these things happens inside the movie, right? But you know what? Our life is also just like a movie. Yes, it's true. Our life is a movie where we are a producer, we are an actor, we are a director, and it's our responsibility to make our movie the best movie on this entire world. It is our responsibility. Our life is our responsibility, and we have to make our movie the best movie on this planet. So here I'm going to share with you that how exactly you are going to create your best movie possible. So movies are of two types. Well, when you are going to use these techniques, I'm sure that you are going to boost your performance. You are going to just enhance your performance, and you are going to achieve more things in a very less time. This is a very, very, very practical thing. And you know what? All my clients have implemented this in their life, and they are getting such amazing, remarkable results. And I really want you to implement this, and I really want you to get mind-blowing results in your life. So movies are of two types. First is motivational movie. You know it already, right? Motivational movie where you just get so much motivated. And the second is cognitive movie. I'm going to tell you about that. So let's talk about first motivational movie. So this is a movie where you motivate yourself inside your mind. This is a mental movie where you motivate yourself inside your mind. So how exactly you do that? See, whatever your goal is, whatever your target is, let's say you want to achieve anything after 10 years, okay? So you have to visualize yourself inside your mind that you have already achieved that. Okay, you have to visualize inside your mind that whatever you want to achieve in your life, you have already achieved that. You have to visualize it every single day inside your mind. So this is going to work as a motivational movie. Well, don't worry, I'm going to let you visualize everything, okay? And it is going to be super, super, super amazing. So here you have to visualize your success inside your mind. Let's talk about the cognitive movie. It is all about visualizing yourself working on your dream. What? Here you have to visualize yourself that you are working on your dream. You are just facing all the challenges, all the problems, and you are working continuously. You are working for 10 hours, 12 hours, 15 hours, 17 hours a day, and you are putting so much efforts to achieve your goal. So this is a movie where you are going to visualize yourself working. Alright? So now we are going to visualize both of the movie, and I'm going to let you know that how exactly you are going to use this, okay? First we are going to visualize it, okay? So get ready for that visualization part. Please close your eyes. Yes, you heard right, you have to do this, okay? So that you are going to implement this in your life. Please close your eyes. Imagine that you are working for your dreams. You are just putting a lot of efforts. You are working for 10 hours, 12 hours, 13 hours, 17 hours a day. You are learning new skills so that you are going to improve your performance, so that you are going to improve your skills, so that you are going to get more and more opportunities for yourself. Now you are becoming better version of yourself as you are continuously investing upon yourself, investing in your learning. Just feel that feeling when you are going to become a better version of yourself. You are feeling so amazing. You are feeling so great as you are improving from inside. You are improving your soul. You are extremely happy. You are putting so much efforts to achieve your dream. You are working like crazy. You are working as nobody can think of. In between, you are getting some problems. You are getting challenges. But your vision is so strong that you are killing all that problems. You are killing all that challenges. You are becoming better and better person. You are becoming strong from inside. You are extremely powerful. You can feel that power within you, that you have become so powerful from inside. Just be in that moment. Feel that power which is inside you. Feel that. You are extremely happy. Yes, no doubt you are getting problems, you are getting challenges, but you just stand in front of them. You kill them. You cut all that problems. You cut all that challenges. You overcome that. And when you overcome that, you become a better version of yourself. When you overcome that, you become so strong from inside. And now you can see that you are reaching towards your goal, which you always dream of, which you always want to achieve. Just be in that moment where you are coming close to your goals. How amazing that feeling is. How amazing you are feeling. And finally, what you can see, you have achieved your goal. And you are extremely happy that all your work, all your struggles, all your determination, all your focus is giving you results. You are extremely happy. You can see your parents are so happy to see your success. Your spouse is extremely happy because they have seen you struggling, because they have seen you putting a lot of efforts. And you too are extremely happy. You can see that you are now living in your dream house, which you always dream of. You have created that empire for yourself, for people who really need job, who want to develop themselves. You are giving so many opportunities to people. You are transforming life of people through your products and through your services. And all your customers are so happy to purchase your product. They are extremely happy. You can see that happiness, you can see that proud moment on your family. You are extremely happy. Just feel this moment. feel that happiness which you are going to get when you are going to achieve your dream. Just feel that happiness. How happy you are going to be. Just feel it. Just be in this moment. Now, please open your eyes. How you are feeling now? I'm damn sure you are feeling amazing, right? So see, this thing you need to do every single day before you go for sleep. Okay, you have to do it, because when you're going to visualize yourself inside your mind that you are doing really well, here what I did was I mixed up that motivational movie and a cognitive movie. Cognitive movie is that movie where you are visualizing yourself that doing work, and motivational movie is that movie where you are going to reach to your goal, and when you are going to just achieve all your goals. Okay, so why I told you this, like you have to use this cognitive and a motivational movie. See, most of the people, what they do, they only focus upon, they only visualize motivational movie. That is that, yeah, I have achieved my goal, and yes, it gives them power. But you know what, that power do not used to be for a longer period of time, till the time you are not going to work. And that's why here I told you that you have to visualize yourself doing the work. You have to visualize yourself that you are taking action continuously, you are working upon yourself continuously, you are improving yourself repeatedly, you are just becoming better version of yourself. So you have to visualize that. Okay, and when you do that, you get just mind-blowing result. And when you do that, you know that you are just going to boost your performance, you are going to enhance your performance. And you know what, I have implemented this, and my client has implemented this, and they have just got double results. They have just doubled their revenue. And I really want you to implement this. I really want you to implement and just see the results. Okay, so please implement it, because implementation is a power. When you implement it, then your learning becomes wisdom, and I really want you to create your wisdom. So please implement it. There is a famous quotation: if you think that you can do it, then yes, you can definitely do it. But on the other hand, if you're thinking that no, I couldn't, no, it's not my cup of tea, then you know what, you couldn't do it. In both of the situations, you are absolutely right. And that's why it is so important you to analyze it, how exactly you talk with yourself, that you are talking with yourself positively or you are talking with yourself negatively. And you know what is the great thing about self-talk? When you are going to use this repeatedly in your life, you are going to get mind-blowing result. And the great thing is, you are just going to boost, you are just going to enhance your performance like crazy. Yes, it just worked like crazy, and I really want you to implement it. So self-talk are of two types. The first is motivational self-talk, and the second is instruction self-talk. Well, the term itself says that in motivational self-talk, you are motivating yourself. Okay, in instruction self-talk, you are giving some kind of instruction to yourself. But how exactly you are going to use it, I'm going to share with you this. Okay, let's talk about motivational self-talk. How exactly you are going to use motivational self-talk for your benefit. See, we have certain target in our life, and it happens with us most of the time that, yeah, I don't want to do work, I am done, I couldn't able to do work more. So it happens to us, right? But in that situation, when we are going to stop, then what is going to happen? We could not able to achieve our goal, right? And that's why it is so important to motivate ourselves. And that's why I come with motivational self-talk, and I'm going to share with you that how exactly you are going to use this motivational self-talk. See, whenever I do some work, and whenever I feel like, no, I don't want to do work, I am done, I am so much exhausted, my body is not responding, my mind is just gets shut off. So what I do in my life, I talk with myself. Okay, I motivate myself. And you know what, this does not mean that you are going to motivate yourself for 1 minute, 2 minutes. No, it means that what I do, let me tell you about my situation. What I do is I motivate myself with 1, 2, 3 word, okay, max 4 word, and you got to do exact same. You have to motivate yourself with that 4 or 5 word which is most meaningful to you. So you have to identify that what is that thing, what is that self-talk which is very meaningful to you. So if I talk about myself, so in my case, whenever I feel like no, I am done, I don't want to do work. So if I feel in this way, so what I do is I motivate myself, that I say to myself that, see, human beings have unlimited potential. I say to me this every single time, that yeah, human beings have unlimited potential, and yeah, I am a human being, so I am also having that unlimited potential within me. So the moment I say this, then I push my limit, I come out from my comfort zone, I start working. So you have to say something to yourself which is most meaningful to you. So this is something which is very meaningful for me. So it can be anything, okay? In your case, it can be anything. It can be related to your personal life, that yeah, it is some situation which just strike you. So it can be anything, but you have to motivate yourself. You have to motivate yourself in 4 or 5 word, okay? Why I'm saying this, you have to motivate yourself in 4 or 5 or 3 2 word. It is just because you are not having that so much time to motivate you, right? Your focus should be on completely on your work, right? Not on motivating yourself. You should be crystal clear about your work. You should be completely focused. You should be completely determined for your work. You should not get distracted by so many things. And that's why this motivational self-talk works like amazing. So every single time whenever I get whenever I don't feel like work, whenever I am damn exhausted, what I do is I talk with myself. I say to myself that human beings have unlimited potential, and I am a human being, so I have to do it. Human beings have unlimited potential. I have to push my limits. So this is my motivational self-talk. So you have to find your motivational self-talk which is more meaningful to you. It might be anything, okay? So please find out that what is a thing which strike you, what is a thing which motivate you, okay? And it should be in 2, 3, 4 or 5 words, okay? So please go ahead, implement this whenever you don't feel like doing work. Motivate yourself. Use this motivational self-talk for yourself, okay? Next is instruction self-talk, where you have to give instruction to yourself. So what exactly you need to do? Let's understand this with an example. I remember that I had a conversation with my client 1 month back, and he is a professional trader. So what exactly happens with him was that he could not able to go on the next level. And you know what? When I tell this instruction self-talk to him, he just double his revenue. And I really want you to do this, and I really want you to implement this in your life, so that you are going to enhance your performance. You are going to just boost everything in your life. So let me tell you that what exactly happened. So I asked him, so my client was suffering from his performance, like he could not able to boost his performance. So I asked to my client that, okay, so what exactly your problem is? So he tell me that number of problems that I am suffering. I have a problem of this, that, a lot of problems, okay? So I asked him that if I tell you that after keeping this call, if you have to work upon that number 1 thing, that which is going to be that particular skill which you want to develop. Okay, like if he is in trading, so he have to develop himself, right? So that he is going to boost his performance. So he tell me that he want to increase his speed. So I tell him that, okay, so you want to increase his speed. So how much time you are going to need to increase your speed? So he tell me that, okay, I am going to need 1 week. Then I said to them, okay, that's it, 1 week, right? So what you need to do is, whenever you are going to go and do trading, so before that you have to instruct yourself that you want to improve your speed, you want to increase your speed, that you want to increase your speed. You have to instruct your mind that you have to increase your speed, you have to increase your speed. And for next 1 week, you don't have to focus upon any other skill. You have to focus upon only one skill, and that is increasing your speed. So I tell him that okay, for 1 week you have to focus on only one skill. So what happened is he focused on one skill, and whenever he go for trade, whenever he was doing trading, he was instructing his mind that yeah, I want to increase my speed, I want to increase my speed. And you know what? After that, I got his feedback that he increased his revenue, not even increased, he doubled his revenue using this instruction self-talk. So what exactly happened here? Here, whatever you want to do, okay, whatever, you have to take that one skill, you have to allot that time frame to it, and you have to focus upon that one skill for that particular period of time. And you have to focus upon only one thing. See, most of the time what happens is we just get jumbled, we just get overwhelmed by so many things that I want to improve this skill also, that skill also, that skill, like so many skills I want to improve. And as a result, we end up improving no skill, and that's where problem happen. It is not only with skill, whatever you want to do, whatever work you want to do, only focus upon that one work. So what happens is your mind works well, you're able to increase your performance, you're able to produce more, and you are going to be focused on only one thing. On the other hand, what happens is we just focus upon lots of things, and as a result we don't do anything. And that's why here I want to instruct yourself for only one skill, for only one work. Do you get that? So this is an amazing way through which you can increase your performance, and I really want you to implement all these skills in your life. Let's revise everything which you have learned here in this video. The first thing which you have learned here is that how you are going to be crystal clear about your work so that you are going to enhance your performance. The second thing which you have learned here is about that mental movie which you are going to create in your mind. And I have told you that how exactly you are going to use it. Yeah, I forget to tell you that the cognitive movie you have to use every single time whenever you are going to wake up early in the morning, because when you're going to wake up, you are going to start doing your work, right? So that's why there you have to use cognitive movie, okay? So third thing which you have learned here is about your self-talk, because the way you talk with yourself, in that way only you get results. And that's why it is so important to talk with yourself amazingly, positively, okay? And there you have learned 2 types. That is motivational self-talk and instruction self-talk. Make sure to use both of this, okay? Whenever you get low, whenever you don't feel like you doing the work, use motivational self-talk, okay? And whenever you have to do something and whenever you have to learn something new, whenever you have to do some work, use instruction self-talk so that you are going to enhance your performance, okay? Now it's time for task. You need to create video on your experience of watching mental movie inside your mind. What? You need to create video on your experience of watching mental movie inside your mind. See, I made you visualize all that movie, right? That is cognitive and a motivational movie. So you have to express your experience through video, okay? You have to express your experience through video, okay? So please go for it, create this video, and I will see you inside your video.